So we come out now, finally after going into 2 car parks, paying to get out of them because they were no good. So 450 or 350. Now come all the way out of Nottingham to Totton Lane, and we're going to go on the tram, which I should have done in the first place really, because it would have saved a hell of a lot of hassle. So Steve's with me. Steve's the reason why I'm here mainly, and I've been here since about 9:45 this morning. So I've been here for nearly 3 hours and I've done absolutely nothing. I've done no recording, no looking at places, and we're now going to have to go and find how to pay, because here, I've never been on a tram before.
No?
No.
Oh dear. It's fine.
You have these things up north, don't you?
Yeah, don't work very well though.
They don't work. Why don't they work?
Because the train lines are always rubbish.
Oh, right.
But good thing is,
So,
a tram here is every 7 minutes.
right, well, there you go. It's your fault. Hey, I'll say hello.
Hello, Sawadee Ka.
Huh? Steve's, it's his fault that we've come here today, and yeah, so, well, in a nice way, of course, in a nice way. In a nice way, because we're going to go to the Thai restaurant, which will be fun. You've got a what?
A mango card.
Mango
Yeah,
card.
it's called a mango card. The tram.
Oh dear.
I've got some change. I've got some change.
No, I have £4. So we're using the Git 2 today, just because I want to say the word Git.
Gosh, you like that?
I like a Git word. You're a Git.
And the car parks are double gates.
Yeah. I don't know how they get away with that. That car park that I was in second time, Nottingham, whatever it was.
Nottingham City, which is the easiest one to get to, but it's a dump.
Yes, they're dumb. I mean,
Yeah.
what the hell are they doing there? It's at one floor, ground floor, and there's hardly any space.
Yeah.
And there was no ticket machine to pay.
Yeah.
I had to ring the bell because I didn't know how to use it. I shoved it in, it bounced out. So yeah, you've got about 5 Thai restaurants in Nottingham.
Yeah. The one in town which we use all the time, or have used 3 or 4 times. It's really nice, but it's steps.
Yeah.
So would be no good for you.
All right. So this one is Zap,
So it's like one you did before.
like the one in Bath.
This takes you to Hucknall. No, I'll go to Hucknall and back.
Bucknell.
Hucknall.
Hucknell.
Hucknall. Nothing in Hucknall.
Oh, I went past there.
Hucknall. Get you one of the disabled
There's
spots.
one there as well.
Yeah.
That's quite good.
After you.
And it's level as well,
Level, yes.
unlike the train. And where do you want to sit?
This is Totton Lane.
I have to say that's a lot easier than the underground,
Yeah.
because you can actually drive on it, which you can't do on the underground. You saw my video about that.
Yeah.
And then when you get on there, you can't actually park anywhere because it's like too awkward. But that's actually quite impressed with that.
Yeah, it's really good.
It's really
I use
good.
it all the time. Especially when you can come every 7 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah. I suppose you can go, it goes all the way to the middle, and then you can sort of hop on.
Hop on and off for £1 if you've got a tram card. Yeah. Just swipe on, swipe off. The further you go, the more it is. Like total price is £1.80.
Yeah.
If you go from here to Hucknall back £4.80. It's not very often.
Yeah. Yeah.
No hassle to get on and off as much as you want. Oh yeah.
I'll go out that way because it's easier. Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
I'll make you that.
Sorry, thanks. Thank you. Thank you. Right. So, right, lead on, lead on, lead on. Okay, Steve, lovely to see you today. Thank you for inviting me, and obviously we're going to keep in touch because you are a subscriber. And what else are you?
Patreon.
Yeah.
We'll have to do a part 2.
We're going to do a part 2 and part 3 and whatever. Yeah. But I have to say, that over there, I am very, very impressed with. Absolutely
Very accessible.
amazing bit of kit and very simple for wheelchairs, and there's no gap between the carriage and the thing. What do they call it? The platform. Platform. Yeah. Unlike in London with the underground, which there's a huge gap.
It's
Anyway,
on the rand. If it's official,
yes, it's official,
on the rand,
and this is not playing, not playing ball.
and he's not playing ball. The git is not playing the ball.
It's a right git.
Git.